What's up, YouTube? First video here. I'm going to be going through my EDC bag that I carry every day for work or for whatever I'm using it for. Also, kind of go over the 511 Side Rush or Side Trip Briefcase. It's about $100, I believe, give or take. And I think the only available color is black. So I'll just go through it here, show you what I carry every day. Here's two pouches right here, and then on the side right here they have kind of the water bottle carriers. They kind of stretch out a little bit here. You see down in there, and then they have this zipper so you can secure it. I don't always carry a water bottle, but if I do, I'll show you an example here. This is a pretty wide bottle and it fits in there okay. Zip it up if you really wanted to, but I think it's pretty secure in there. Okay, enough of that. So first pouch here, this out of the way. This is a rat's tourniquet. I just keep it here for quick access availability. Also have a Leatherman in here. What else? I keep a little light in here just if I need to. It's a little Streamlight Nano. You can see that. It's not very bright, but for a bag, it does a job. You can kind of go back and forth between the two pockets. What else? Carry a Streamlight ProTac 1L. This one carries the AAA or a CR123 battery. Pretty bright. I also have a fire starter in here. Not really a necessity for carrying every day, but it's light, fits in there pretty well, so I kind of might as well carry it. Backup blade, SOG Trident. Kind of has a seatbelt cutter and the blade there. It's a light knife, good backup knife to carry. Also a tactical pen. This is the Stinger. Just nice if you can't take a firearm somewhere. It's a good little backup weapon to have. So you have these 2 pouches that are about the same size, and this third one that's a little bit wider, got about 4 fingers in there, and pushing 2 to go in there. Then this back pocket you can use for notepads or whatever else. I'll show you in a little bit. There's also this Velcro pocket. Hopefully lighting's okay on the inside here. I just keep a cheapy bandana. Some wet fire. Light, doesn't take that much room. Also some 550 cord. Never know when you could use that. And that's it for that pouch. So it can expand pretty big, as you can see. The only thing that I don't like about it is it kind of folds down like that. It doesn't necessarily open all the way. Maybe if there's a zipper here, so you could zip it down. It's one downfall about these 2 front pockets here. The zippers are nice. Let's go on to this second pouch. It's got 4 areas of MOLLE webbing here. Also the Velcro, so you could put name tag, blood type, whatever you wanted there. And then the 511 insignia down here. It's kind of a rubbery type deal. So this is a second pouch here. This is more clerical type stuff. So obviously I keep a few pens. This is a little flathead Phillips, if it'll focus for me. Well, you get it. It's a Phillips there, flathead and Phillips. Some more pens, pencils, highlighters, checkbook, my personal checkbook, Write in the Rain notepad, and then just a normal notepad. I don't like to always use up my Write in the Rain paper if I don't have to, so I just keep a normal notepad, and then a Sharpie right here as well. So both of these pockets are pretty much identical. The only thing is this has 1, 2, 3, 4 of the little bit smaller pouches, and then I think this is about the same size of the bigger pouch, so it's better for keeping pens, pencils, that kind of small stuff in there. So that's it for these two. And again, it has that, you can't see it, but it has a water pouch on this side as well. You can put whatever you want. I don't really keep anything in these. I could, but I don't. Keep my keys kind of hooked on this because I'm always taking them on and off. Kind of noisy. I don't really like it, but it is what it is for now. So these handles, they attach. Kind of like how they come together. They're kind of rubbery. And they just kind of form together. You can see how it works here. Let me see if I can try to do this one-handed. So it just kind of, you pull it and it kind of forms together. And it works out pretty well. And then they just pull apart. So get into this main bag here. It's got this like double zipper here. And then this is Velcro as well, right there. Hopefully you guys can see down in here. Let me just pull some stuff out first. This is my first aid kit. Take my name patch off there. Okay, sorry about that. This is my first aid kit. I keep it, it's kind of easy access. All I gotta do is pull, these two zippers out and I get right to this bag. I couldn't tell you where I got this bag from. Maybe I'll do a review later on my medical bag. It's what I put together myself. So in here, it's a pretty big compartment. It's all that soft hook or loop or whatever the soft one is on the inside, and then it's got MOLLE webbing all down it on one side, and the other side is just felt, whatever the material is. Here I keep, it's kind of my electronics pouch. It's just a pouch I had laying around. It's nothing special. It's not any cool tactical bag, but if you have any recommendations for a good kind of electronics bag, please let me know in the comments. So just keep my Wi-Fi in there. It's for Wi-Fi. Backup battery, headphones, plug-in for the wall with USB, cable, charging cable, USB, headphones, pen, car charger USB, and then I also usually keep a USB and my iPhone charger. Cables in there, but I don't have them in there now. What else I got in here? A laptop cable, a pair of mechanics gloves, light, you never know when you could possibly use them. I have a carabiner strapped in here, and I keep a paracord bracelet. I don't really like wearing them, so I just throw it in there just in case. Keep a little emergency poncho in here. Some zip ties, always come in handy. And then the SOG Field Pup, I have it strapped here to the MOLLE. Let's see if we focus. Anyway, it's strapped in the MOLLE, so it kind of works out very well there. It's not in the way. It always holds up nice. And that's it for this. Obviously a lot more room in here. You can put a lot more stuff in here. I just don't have that much stuff to put in there. I close this back up. The close is pretty nice. And then this one more back zipper here. There's this for luggage, you know, if you want to put it over your handle if you're traveling. It's got a little Velcro piece right there. This is a laptop section. This fits my 17-inch laptop. And some extra room for a notepad or something in there if you wanted to. The other downfall, there's not much padding between the laptop and the outside here. So I wish there was maybe a little more padding. I'm sure you could put something there if you wanted to, but that I think is about it. This is the sling it has. It's got this rubbery texture on it. It's pretty comfortable to carry. There's also a concealed, I don't carry my gun in here usually, but it's like a concealed pocket. It's not very noticeable. And then in here, I know it's dark, but it's just all, you can, you know, hook a holster. I think Blackhawk makes some holsters you can put in there. I just keep a tablet in there. And then it just kind of Velcros back together. It's kind of messy if you're using it all the time. That's about it. Like I said, I'm not a pro at making these fancy videos here. It's my first video, so. One more thing. This is the bottom side of the bag. It has these 4 rubber kind of stands, so it sits a little flatter on the ground. And right in here is another Velcro section. This is like a rain poncho for the bag. It's attached here, and it goes over the whole bag. I'm not gonna put it all on. It's kind of a pain, especially trying to do one-handed here. But there's that in there. You don't even notice it's in there, so it's kind of nice. So that's about it. Obviously I carry my knife, light, firearm with me, aside from this stuff, but it's just a bag, pretty much goes with me everywhere I go. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Didn't get too annoyed by the freshness of video making here. So let me know. Thanks.